Have you ever tried to cook a massive meal all by yourself? The sauce is boiling over, the timer is beeping, dough is flying everywhere, and you only have two hands. Running a complex project can feel exactly like playing one of those restaurant tycoon games on the hardest difficulty. When you try to manage every single moving part by yourself, it becomes impossible to keep up. This is why Claude Managed Agents exists. It provides you with a full staff of smart digital helpers who take your instructions and run the kitchen for you. You don't even have to micromanage them. You simply move a to-do ticket, like optimize the website, onto your project board. The moment that ticket moves, a dedicated helper appears, fully equipped and ready to work. Instead of burning out on the manual labor, you become the manager of a highly capable, autonomous team. To keep things safe, each helper gets a private test kitchen. This secure, isolated space protects the rest of your business. You equip this room with exact tools, a web browser, calculator, or recipe book to get the job done. You also give them a recipe for success. This is a checklist that defines exactly what a perfect pizza looks like, from the crispiness of the crust to the amount of cheese. Let's say your helper makes their first attempt, but they miss a step and forget a key ingredient. Before that pizza is ever served, a second helper acting as a referee steps in. Their only job is to check the work against your checklist to make sure nothing was missed. If the referee finds a mistake, the first helper takes that feedback, goes back to the oven, and fixes the error automatically before presenting the final result. While one cook is busy at the oven, you can have a completely separate helper in the background doing research, like tracking the daily price of tomatoes on the web. By giving agents these safe environments and the ability to correct their own mistakes, you get high-quality results without having to watch over their shoulders. But what happens when the stakes get higher? Imagine an order for 50 pizzas comes in all at once. It's a massive problem that's too big for just one helper. The system assigns a coordinator to take charge and manage the emergency. The coordinator breaks the big problem down and delegates the work to 3 specialists, one for dough, one for sauce, and one for boxes. These specialists work on their tasks at the exact same time. This parallel work makes the entire process move significantly faster. Once they finish, the coordinator assembles their work into one perfectly finished order. These agents also have memory. The coordinator pauses to check what happened during past party orders before it even begins. If it remembers that you ran out of boxes last week, it will be proactive and order extra supplies before a crisis can happen. Combining teamwork with memory allows the system to learn and adapt. It solves problems faster every time it encounters them. In the world of software development, these agents work exactly like our pizza team. Tracking tomato prices becomes complex data analysis. Checking pizza quality becomes fixing bugs in code. You define what done looks like and provide the tools, and Claude does the heavy lifting to reach that goal. You get the power of isolated environments, self-correction, and coordinated teamwork all in one package. This shifts your role from handling every small detail yourself to being the lead manager of an autonomous digital workforce.